So this is the first job link that we have, which is for the cyber security review analysis. This is basically in a company who is going to appoint you somewhere. So this is the contact number that they have. Send your resume on this WhatsApp number. Accordingly, you will get a response where they want to shift you and when you get hired. Next one. So this is again for freshers. It's a Bangalore based job and it is for fresher and those who have 2 years of experience. Okay, so this is for you guys. So freshers and experienced both can apply for this role. So someone is looking for risk management, right? Risk management. So there's a lot of people, those who are messaging me. Okay, so those are messaging me for risk management, for kind of GRC, governance, risk and compliances. So this is for them. Okay, if you're fresher, if you want, you can apply, right? And 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Bachelor in IT, cybersecurity, computer science, all those things will be more preferable. So if you have all those things, please go ahead. And if you have knowledge about AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, then this is good to go. Mail ID is eycyberresume@gmail.com. So accordingly, it will tell you where they are. Next one. Yeah, this is the another opening that we have, which is in EIS. Okay, they are looking for IT resident resident engineer L2. Okay, what you'll do? You'll desktop support and all those things are there. Okay, Windows 7, all those things. So this is again for the beginners. This is not much into cyber security, but it's a eco-friendly, right? It's a Italy based job. तो इटली में जाओ पिज्जा खा के आओ मतलब इटली जो country who originated pizza. Mail ID recruit@exeis.com. Now next one. Next one is again L1 network engineer in Mysore. Mysore is in India. 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Mysore full time role. L1 support ticket is that's what you need to do. This is the mail ID kedar.v@nipur.net. Okay, and check out troubleshooting issue. You need to. It's kind of a support based job, right? Usually, what does we do whenever we have any problem? We call Microsoft or Apple support. So whatever problem we are facing, we will tell them and they will provide us the support. So this is exactly what you need to work, right? And it's a network engineer, so you need to visit somewhere, routing, switching, all those things you need to repair or do some relatable work. Next one, so Wipro is hiring again. This is a mail ID ra20367930@wipro.com. Actually, this is the employee ID. This is where they are vulnerable and they will announce like data breach is there. So Wipro take care of it or fire this employee if possible. Okay, so guys, they want someone who have around 45 to 60 days of notice period because if they are going to call you within that specific time, you need to join. Okay, and around 26 LP they can pay you, and this is for experienced people. Ultimate experience, 7+ years of experience is required. Chennai based road hybrid. Okay, they will pay you around 26 LPA, 26 लाख मिलेगा भाई एक साल का, which is LPA lakh per annum, not CTC. And what CTC you are getting, what is you are expecting. Okay, and all these things just add in the resume and add in a mail accordingly. We'll get selected. Next one, BDO India is hiring. They are for senior assistant for 1 to 2 years experience and senior associate for 2 to 4 years of experience. It's a Bangalore based job. BDO India is the company name. They want someone with who have all this framework knowledge, right? And who can perform IT general control, ITGC, and IT appliances control assessment. Who can collaborate with the client, risk, recommend solution, and all those things. They have all these qualifications: security consultant experience in cybersecurity domain, in-depth technical knowledge of cybersecurity framework, regulation assessment, 27001, RBI, SEBI, IRDS, ITGC, and all those things is important. So, guys, there might be some kind of. So that's what you can do. Okay, you can drop a comment. I'll send you the detail where you can reply. Next one is again, someone is urgently looking. So, guys, if you're looking for a job for a very long time, if you want to get hired as soon as possible, this is for you. Okay, and hands-on platform, the strong communication, fluent in English, US client knows freelancer, please. Uh, we need full-time resource. So they want full-time resource. 6 months of experience. We have to chalega bhai. It's good to go. 6 months to 1 year of experience is required, and you can drop a mail on Kanta Chaudhary 060@gmail.com. They want from 6 month minimum. What yes, 6 month, whatever domain you have in cybersecurity, security analyst, web application pen testers. Okay, if you have for the SOC, then this will be considered. So let's go and see where. So that's all today. I hope you have learned a lot of things.